morning children. I am Krishna Veni, science teacher of Little Flowers High School. Today I am going to explain you 8th class physics, lesson number 5, sound. Okay, sound. In previous videos, we have discussed about that mind mapping and keywords of this chapter. Okay, already we know what are the topics are present in this chapter. We have seen in mind mapping. Right. Okay, we'll see once again. What are the topics present in this chapter? Vibrating body produces sound. Vibrating body produces sound. Sound has energy and some musical instruments. Sound produced by human beings. Okay, propagation of sound. How do we hear? Next, characteristics of sound. Okay, all these topics are present in this chapter. In this video, I am going to explain you about vibrating body produces sound. Vibrating body produces sound, and sound has energy and some musical instruments. Okay, first one, vibrating body produces sound. Okay, already we have seen in mind mapping. Okay, sound is produced by vibrating body. Right. For that, we have an activity in your textbook. You see this, that take a brass bell. Take a brass bell and ring the bell and listen to the sound carefully. The bell is made up of brass. You take the brass bell and hit it. What happens? The sound will be produced. You listen to the sound carefully. Okay. Next one here. Now hold the bell tightly with your hand. Okay. That bell will be tightly hold with your hand. Okay. Hit it again. What happens? Again that sound will come. Right? Again that sound will come. You observe that sound also. You observe that sound also. Now sound is feeble. Okay. Whenever we tightly hold the bell, when we hit it, then that sound is very feeble sound is produced. Okay. There is a vibrations are transmitted to hand. From that bell, when we hold that bell, that vibrations are transmitted to our hand. Okay, so the sound is very feeble. That less amount of sound is produced because here vibrations are not produced much more. Less vibrations are produced, so that cannot be produced much sound. Okay, here sound is produced by a vibrating body. When we release that bell, when we hit it, okay, that bell produces lot of sound. When we hold that bell with our hand, when we hit it, that bell cannot be produced much sound. Okay, very lesser amount of sound is produced because here vibrations are not freely. Right? The vibrations which are produced in the bell are transmitted to our hand. Okay, so that sound is very feeble. So the vibrating body, free vibrating body can produce sound. Okay, according to this activity, we should know or we get one conclusion. Okay, what is that? Vibrating body can produce a sound. Okay, while talking, you keep your finger at your neck. You observe that. While talking, you keep your finger, okay, left hand or right hand finger, keep your neck part, right here. You produce sound, you talk. What happens here? Some vibrations, you feel some vibrations attached to our hand. Okay? Whenever we are trying to talk, what happens here? Vibrations will produce. And vibrating body, due to that vibrations, sound is producing from our voice box or larynx part. Right? This is also one of the activity which can show that vibrating body can produce a sound. Next one here, sound has energy. How can you prove that sound has energy? Okay, you take one bowl. Okay, any plastic bowl, right? You introduce that a cell phone into that plastic bowl and keep cover with. Okay, this cover with plastic bowl with a lid. Okay, which type of lid is that? You cover with a cloth Okay, tightly you fit it. Then you top of that diaphragm you keep some sugar crystals. You keep some sugar crystals on the mouth part, which we covered the plastic bowl with a cloth or any paper something. Okay, you tightly keep the rubber band like this. Here you see you observe in this diagram. Okay, how do we close the bottle cap? Okay, then you give the ring to the cell phone. What happened? Which is the cell phone which is inside the bowl, that will be produce the means that will be vibrating, ringing will be produced, right? Ringing sound is produced in that cell. Due to that vibrations, okay, the sugar crystals which are on the cap of the on the covering part of the bowl, okay, the sugar crystals can move. Sugar crystals are move here. Okay, moving sugar crystals we observe on the top of the bottle. Okay, with that what do you understand? Which is sound produced from the cell phone which is inside the bottle. Okay, the sound can travel in the form of wave in all directions. Okay, the waves when these waves are touched to the surface, what happens on that surface? The sugar crystals will be moved slightly. Okay, with that experiment we can prove sound has energy. Sound has energy. Next one here, musical instruments. What is music? The sound which is pleasant to hear. The sound which is pleasant to hear, that sound is called as music. Okay, this music is produced by some different types of musical instruments. Okay, here 3 types of musical instruments are there. What are those here? Stringed instruments. Stringed instruments. Okay, thin strings are present on that instrument. When we hit that strings, what happens? That will be produce a sound. Okay, which is pleasant to hear. In different places, we can produce different types of sound. Okay. Here example. These stringed instruments have the metal wires, guitar, violin, and sitar. Right? These all instruments can produce a. These are all stringed instruments. These all instruments have the metallic strings on its surface. Next one here, membrane instruments. These are also called as drum type of instruments. Already we know the drums, tabla, okay, drums, and mridangam. These are all examples of drum type of instruments are membrane instruments. Okay, here these membrane instruments have that stretched skin. Stretched skin. When we hit that stretched skin, that can be produced sound. Okay. Next, wind instruments. Wind instruments means blow type of instruments. Okay, when we pass the air inside to that instruments. Okay, when we pass the air inside that instrument, that can give the sound. Okay, through the holes in the instruments help to produce sound. Okay, these type of instruments are also called as blow type of instruments. Wind instruments and blow type of instruments. What are the examples? Flute, sannai, clarinet. Okay, flute, sannai and clarinet. These all are blow type of instruments. Are wind instruments. Right here. Okay, here 3 types of musical instruments are there. What are those? Stringed instruments, drum type of instruments are membrane instruments. Next are blow type of instruments are wind instruments. Okay, what are examples of stringed instruments? Guitar, violin, sitar. Okay, these are all stringed instruments. Next one here, membrane instruments means drum instruments. Drum, tabla, then mridangam. These are all membrane type of instruments. Next one, wind instruments. Those are blow type of instruments. When we blow air into those instruments, okay, through the holes, different holes, they can produce different sound. Okay, here flute, sannai, clarinet. These all are examples of blow type of instruments are wind instruments. Okay, do you understand, children, about the today's topics? Vibrating body can produce a sound, and sound has energy, and some musical instruments. Okay. In next video, we will see about that sound produced by human being and propagation of sound. Okay, sound is propagated by in which direction? Okay. Thank you, children.